Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to perform the experiment number 19, and this lecture is related to the theoretical background of this experiment number 19. Subtopic of this experiment number 19 is prepare switchboard. That is, in this experiment we are going to prepare a switchboard wiring for the purpose of use to switch on or switch off the electrical appliances. This experiment number 19 is presented by me and my name is R. Chaugule. Practical number 19, switchboard wiring. First, practical significance. We are moving towards first the practical significance of this experiment number 19, switchboard wiring. Switchboard wiring is very important. Improper connections of neutral and a live wire in a switchboard is dangerous and leads to electrical shock while maintenance work. That is, the switchboard wiring is very important part for an electrical engineer, and if there is improper connections happens between the neutral wire or related to the live wire, then it will be dangerous to the operator who is going to be operate that switchboard, and also for the maintenance worker who is going to be make a maintenance of that switchboard. Therefore, the most important practical significance is that we have to aware about the dangerous things like shocks in the wiring, and we are going to aware about that, and we are going to know that how to make a proper connection of the switchboards. Okay, then next, third, competency and practical skills. By using this or by performing this practical number 19, which type of skills we are going to generate, we are looking towards it. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry. Identified competency, that is, plan wiring or cabling activities using relevant material. Following safe practices, that is, by following the safe practices which are mentioned below, we are going to use the relevant materials and perform or make a plan wiring or cabling of the wires in the industrial or the residential areas. Okay, first, safe practices is nothing but use color code in wiring. That is, we know in electrical engineering wires are available in various types of colors such as red, then yellow, green, blue, black, etc. And by performing this practical, we are going to generate the skill of using what type of color code want to be used for a particular type of wiring. Next, wire up the circuit. We are also going to generate the skill of wire up the circuit also. Fix electrical accessories. After completion of wire of the circuit, we are also going to be fit we are going to be know that how to fix the electrical accessories or electrical appliances in the circuit. And also we are going to aware about test wiring circuit, that is, after completion of wiring board, after completion of fixing the electrical accessories, how to test the wiring circuits, that also we are going to learn in this practical. Okay, next slide. Practical outcomes. What is the outcome behind this practical performance, that we are also going to see in this point. Prepare switchboard containing 4 switch 4 socket arrangement. That is, in this practical we are going to prepare a 4 switch 4 wire socket arrangement with fuse. That is, in this we have to include the fuse also, indicator also, and internal wiring also. This is nothing but the practical outcome. Before starting this practical, we have to also aware about the theoretical background of this practical, and moving towards the 7th point, minimum theoretical background. While specifying the boards for wiring installation, the following particulars shall be given. That is, before the installation of the wiring, we have to aware about the following some particles. That is, first, material of the board, wood, PVC or metal. That is, for the purpose of wiring, the board is required, the board is needed, and the board is available in the various types of metals and also in the wood or PVCs. Okay, then we have to also aware and know about the size, length, then breadth and height in mm. That is, we have to also want to be measure the size of the board, length of the board, breadth and height of the board also. thickness of the material in mm. We want to also aware about what type of thickness of the material is available, and we have to measure it in mm. Then single or double, that is we are which type of board we are going to use, like single board or double board, want to be know before the practical performance. Then fifth, additional information like type of finish or wooden boards, color of PVC or metal boards, surface of flush mounting, etc. We have to also know about the additional information like what type of wooden boards we are going to use. If PVC we are going to use for the purpose of PVC boards, then what should be the color of that PVC board. Also the metal boards color want to be decided before the starting of this experiment. And also we have to aware about the surface of flush mounting, etc. Okay, that is we have to also aware about the surface of flush mountings. Nowadays wooden or sunmic boards are not used in wiring. That is nowadays in recent days the wooden board or sunmic boards are not used for the purpose of wiring. Modular metal boards are used in concealed wiring, that is for the purpose of concealed wiring modular metal boards are used. However, PVC modular boards shown in figure 1 are used in surface wiring, that is for the purpose of surface wiring PVC modular boards are used, and for the purpose of concealed wiring modular metal boards are used for the purpose of connections and for the purpose of wiring. Okay, next slide. Color identification of cables. I explained that we have to aware about what type of color want to be used for the purpose of the wiring. The color of the cable indicates their function, that is the color of the cable is indicating their function. If certain type of color is used for the phase, then in that home or in that residency we have to use all same color for the purpose of same type of wiring. Okay, why it is required? Suppose if and wiring is made by one of the electrician, and after some time or after some year that wiring board or that wiring connections want to be maintenance, and it is made by another electrician, then another electrician want to be know that what type of wiring connection, which type of wiring connection are done there, and it can be only identified by using the color codings. Okay, this is the basic importance of the color coding used. Some of the identifications are given below in the below diagram or in the table. Okay, supply AC system. Suppose the supply AC system is going to be used, then it should be three phase AC supply. Then there are three phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and one is for the purpose of neutral wiring. It can be indicated by L1, that is line 1, or it can be called as phase 1 L1, phase 2 L2, phase 3 L3, and neutral is indicated by N. Then for the purpose of L1, L2, L3 we can use the different types of colors such as red, yellow and blue. This is the standard format. For the purpose of first line or for the purpose of first phase we have to use a red color. Then for the purpose of second line we have to use the yellow, and for the purpose of third we have to use the blue color, and for the purpose of neutral wire we have to compulsory use the black wire, and for the purpose of protective devices such as grounding or earthing we have to use the green or yellow wire. Okay, next, eighth point, practical setup, circuit diagram or work situation. The diagram is showing the PVC modular board 18 module, that is the diagram is showing about the 18 model board. We can clearly see that in each square box we can fit two switches. Okay, then 2 in first row of 3 squares we can adjust 2 3s are 6 switches, and for the another 3 columns we can adjust another 12 switches, and 12 plus 6 want to be 18. Okay, 12 plus 6 will be 18, that is this board is of the 18 model board. Okay, this is the basic thing to how to find out the number of model of the board. Switchboard, series test lamp. For the purpose of experiment we are going to use such type of switchboard, and this type of switchboard, this is of about see, in first pin we can adjust 2 pins, then one fuse, one indicator and another 2, that is 2 to 4 5 6 module at upside. Then downward side 4 module, 6 plus 4 10 module. Then the switches which are connected at the bottom side are 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 10 plus 6 is 16. That is, we are going to use the 16 model board for the purpose of this experiment. Okay, next slide. This is the previous part of the switchboard which is indicated here. Okay, this is the connection diagram. We are going to perform our experiment like this connection diagram. I'm going to explain this connection diagram properly. See carefully. At right hand side, at the top of the right hand side, phase, neutral and earth is mentioned by using the P, N and E. Okay, single phase AC supply is given. We can see that the phase wire is directly, which is indicated by the red line, is directly goes to the fuse wire. Okay, first is goes to the first terminal of fuse wire, and then one second. Okay, see, the phase wire is gone from the fuse wire of the first terminal, and the second terminal of this fuse wire is directly connected to the switches in series. Okay, these are connected to the each switch. These two switches are used for the purpose of future expansion, and these four switches are used for the purpose of working conditions. Okay, this is the main connection of phase. Then the second terminal of this switch is directly goes to the first terminal of this lamp. Second terminal of this lamp is directly goes to the right hand side of 3-pin socket. Okay, we can clearly see it. Then from this switch, the second terminal of this switch is directly goes to the upside 3-pin positive side. Then the third switch is directly goes to the third 3 pins right hand side, and fourth switch is directly goes to the right hand side top 3-pin switch right hand side. Okay, right hand hole is directly goes to there. That is, each phase is connected to the each 3-pin, and this circuit is connected in series. That is, we are going in this diagram, in this circuit board, we are going to use the series connection of lamp. Okay, series test lamp we are going to use. Therefore, the connection of this switch is directly goes to the lamp, and the secondary of this lamp is directly goes to the circuit board or the switch board of 3-pin. Okay, and the secondary is directly connected to the neutral. After completion of phase, we are moving toward the neutral wire. See here, neutral wire is here. Neutral wire first goes to the indicator, because indicator is nothing but the lamp. Okay, indicator is nothing but the lamp, in which one is at the positive and another is negative side. Therefore, negative is neutral is directly goes to the indicator here. Then as per the diagram mentioned here, one of the terminals should be given by the phase, and phase is taken from this fuse wire here. Okay, 1 minute. Then see, neutral wire is again goes towards the another way here. It is connected directly to the left hand side of each 3-pin socket. Okay, here also it is joint, and 3-pin socket left hand side is directly connected with the neutral wire. Okay, then for the purpose of earthing, see here, earthing is directly connected to the earth pin of each 3-pin circuit. This is connected again by here. Okay, then this earthing point is also connected in series with this, and this point is again connected here for the purpose of earthing. Okay, this is the simple connection diagram. Here only the phase is surrounding to the all the switches, and it then goes to the all the points of the switchboards with the help and also including to the lamp. Neutral is directly goes to the indicator. Okay, neutral directly goes to the indicator and the left hand side of the each 3 pins, and earthing is connected to every socket of the earthing point of the every 3-pin socket. Okay, this is the simple connection diagram. Another simple connection diagram is here, simplified connection diagram. As per that connection diagram, here also a phase is used here at the bottom of the right side. Phase is connected through the fuse, as the indicator is nothing but the bulb. Indicator is given by the phase supply and neutral supply also, sorry, phase supply and neutral supply also. Then phase is connected to the every switch every switch. First, from the right hand side, from this right hand side, one the end secondary side of this phase is directly connected to this 3-pin circuit. Secondary side of switch 2 is directly connected to the right hand side of 3-pin circuits right hand side. Then third switch is also connected to the third 3 pins right hand side, and the fourth switch is connected first to the lamp, and the secondary of lamp is directly connected to the right hand side of fourth switch, because these both are connected in series connection. That is the fourth 3-pin socket and this lamp is directly connected. Okay, like this, it is directly connected in series with each other, because we are going to perform, or we are going to make a simplified connection diagram of a series test lamp here. Okay, required resources required for the purpose of this experiment. The resource want to be required are nothing but the combination plier of having the 200 specified suggested specification, which want to be a specification of 200 and quantity required 1. Okay, then screwdriver 200 into 5 2 number of quantity required. Then connector or screwdriver 100 into 3 1 quantity required. Screwdriver of 150 into 3 1 quantity. Hacksaw 300 with blade 1 quantity. Measuring tape 2 meter want required for the purpose of measuring the wire board 1 required quantity. Then side cutter 150 electrician knife standard required for the purpose of for the quantity 1. Single pole switch modular 6 ampere 240 volt rating should be there of 4 numbers, because we are as per the experiment suggested, we are going to use 4 switch 4 plug circuit here, but according to our, we are going to use the connection of this switchboard, which is in which series connection of lamp is done with the 3-phase socket. Okay, then fuse indicator want 6 ampere 240 volt, neon indicator modular 40 volt, and fuse indicator 6 ampere 240 volt of each quantity 1. PVC cable of red, black and green color, copper 1 square 5 meter each, because we are going to make a wire up of this diagram, likewise this diagram. Okay, then PVC modular switch box 18 module, we are going to use here 16 module 1 number. Modular board strip standard 4 numbers. This is another diagram. This is the same diagram as per the previous series test lamp, in which we are going to use here a lamp in the lamp board, and at the left side we are going to do it is series connection, and we can handle it by using this switch and by using this switch. Okay, precautions to be followed while performing. We have to follow such type of precautions which are mentioned here. Always place fuse in incoming live wire. Okay, switchboard switch should be connected in live wire only. This is also true. Always connect a neutral in a socket at our left hand side. Okay, we have to always connect our neutral socket at the left hand side of the 3-pin socket, and right hand side we have to connect the phase wire. Make sure all connections should be tight. We have to check after the completion of the wiring, we have to check that all the connections are to be tighted. Okay, and we have to follow the color code wires. Procedure is mentioned here, and you have to be write your actual procedure for the point of 13. Okay, we have to write actual procedure which we are going to perform in the experiment, and observation and calculation you have to only notify, or you have to draw only the wiring diagram of the connection which we are going to perform in the practical. Okay, results and interpretation of results want to be write it in your own words, conclusion also want to be write you in your own words. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to perform the practical. Thank you.